SA Shudufhadzo Musida to run for president. Newly crowned Miss SA Shudufhadzo recently tweeted about her aspirations to become president, and tweeps have had mixed feelings towards her tweet. Shudufhadzo Musida has received a lot of criticism since taking over the reins. Despite the many appreciative supporters who thank her for being a sight for sore eyes, there is also a fair amount of haters who feel as though she has not been carrying her duties as a Miss SA. A couple of months back she shared an Instagram post where she was wearing a brown swimsuit and enjoying a chilled day in the sun. "I've been waking up early to go to the gym and things are switching up," she captioned her post. Many have compared her to the current Miss Universe Xolani, whose voice was very vocal when it came to chilling topics including gender-based violence. The country is faced with many social ills, and many people have been looking in Shudu's direction for words of encouragement. Like many would like to argue, she is Miss SA after all, so she automatically became a role model.